Hi guys, I've just submitted my CET paper. So I'm giving CET exam for almost I think now 10th time. I forget the count as well now. So don't worry, I don't give the exam to top or to show somebody. I just give the exam to understand the paper so that I can replicate the paper and teach in a better way. So that's what I do every year. So but I do experiment. I for example last year I did only logic question. Last year I used G strategy. So I do experiment. Anyway, coming to the point. So we are starting with the in this video, I'll explain the complete process about how to register for the CET paper. So first of all, go to their website, see mahacet.org. So this year they made a new website for us, so which is the good news. So go to the website, or in the description box I given the links for the website. You can directly go to the website where you can register. The moment you open this page, you will find Master MBA CET red color button, so that we understand this is a link we have to click. And you will not find the logo there. This is CET Inc logo. I've just uploaded on this sheet. Fine. We are also now rebranding to CK. So CK CET King will be our name going forward. After clicking that link, you can either download the brochure or start with the register for the new registration. So I want to go to the new registration. Okay. So once you go for new registration, you will get the form. You have to give your name, first name, middle name, last name, and mobile number, email ID, submit. So basic information they'll get, then submit. The moment you submit this, they will generate your login ID password. This is something you have to save because it won't come afterwards. So registration number and password you have to save. I've hidden my number so that you can't see my number. And the main pain in the ass will be you to upload your photo and signature. Trust me, this is going to waste maximum time because they are going to change the instruction. CAT का instruction अलग था, सीट में instruction अलग आता है, हर exam का instruction अलग होता है. So that it wastes a lot of time while submitting. ठीक है. My throat is down today, so you can, that's why you hearing my voice a little bad today. Alright, next page is the longest page you'll ever see in your life. So starting from your category, which category you belong to. So if you're open. If you're from any reserved category, even if you don't have the documents today, submit that category. For example, you are from SBEC, submit करो. OBC जो भी आपका category है, आप वो category submit करो. Document बाद में proof आता रहेगा. Even if you don't have the proof later on, they will convert the category into open category automatically. So you don't need to worry about that. आपका form वैलिड रहेगा. दे वॉन्ट रिजेक्ट योर स्कूल्स. ठीक है. तो जो कैटेगरी आपके पास है, डॉक्यूमेंट प्रूफ ला सकते हो, वो आप सबमिट करो. आज डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है चलेगा, बाद में भी लेके आओगे तो भी चल जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ठीक है. देन यू हैव टू मार्क हियर अबाउट डिसेबिलिटी एंड द सर्टिफिकेट्स यू हैव डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर कैटेगरी. Followed by again they keep on asking you about your time of the exam, need extra time, all this thing. Minority, yes, you have to put your caste. I don't know why they're asking for caste, but yeah, they're asking for the religion. Are you domiciled in state? Now this is a very important question. If you are born in Mumbai, you are domiciled in Mumbai automatically. ठीक है. तो महाराष्ट्र का अपना domicile बन गया. If you have spent more than 15 years, you are domiciled here. If your parents are in Mumbai and in government service, but you have studied outside, you will automatically become Maharashtra. There are a lot of ifs and buts. So even if you are loosely related to a Maharashtra state, आप Maharashtra state TS मार दो. ठीक है. यू हैव टू हैव मिनिमम 15 years ऑफ एजुकेशन इन केस इट. सिर्फ 10-12 यहाँ पे गया तो नहीं चलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई डिड माई इंजीनियरिंग इन नागपुर, NIT नागपुर, बट बिफोर दैट आई वॉज इन पंजाब, तो दैट वॉन्ट बी काउंटेड इन दिस थिंग. या so I will be OMS student. So if you are domiciled in Maharashtra, great. Even if you don't have a domicile, you are a Maharashtra state student, outside Maharashtra state and J&K, 3 कैटेगरी आपके पास है. तो whichever category you belong to, you have to submit that. ठीक है. अगेन दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. आप कुछ भी सबमिट कर दो, बाद में आप चेंज कर सकते हो. जब DT का फॉर्म जाएगा, वी विल चेंज वंस यू दे द डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन राउंड विच विल हैपन इन आफ्टर रिजल्ट इज आउट. मई के एंड में आके, जून में आके, सॉरी मई में. So we have enough time for that. We'll see after that. ठीक है. Now come the main problem, center preference. Now I wanted to search, go through the complete list to check center आपका कहाँ पे है. For example, for Navi Mumbai Vashi student, there are Navi Mumbai का center as well. So I'll put Navi Mumbai first, Thane second and Mumbai third. तो आप उसमें पूरा सर्च में जाके देखो आपके पास क्या क्या सेंटर है. Then you fill the centers. Don't call me for that, because if you ask me which center to choose, Goa number 1. Number 2, I'll choose Guwahati because I've not been to the place. तो ऑब्वियसली यार इफ़ यू आस्क मी तो मैं टाइम पास क्यों करने का, तो खुद ही आप देखो ना, आप वेर एवर यू स्टे, see the center around that place and submit. There's no good or bad center. IBPS center are all same as a CAT center, so level is very high, level is good quality pieces and all, so don't worry about that part. ठीक है, जो 3 submit करो. ठीक है, so after this you have to add your bank details. So whichever bank account you have, just add the detail of the bank account. Okay, with your IFSC code and all. So that IFSC code and all you can find from checkbook. If you don't have a bank account, then take your dad's checkbook and just submit these details. It's not important. This is in case there's a refund. In case कुछ refund हुआ, कोई गड़बड़ हुआ, तो then the money will come into this account. So which is not important at all. ठीक है, जब जाके details डाल के submit करो. Alright, they'll ask you for your qualification. Now here engineering option नहीं है, for example, so I choose other. BFSI, if your category, if your graduation degree is not there, the same name, you have to submit others. साइंस है, बीकॉम है, बहुत कुछ था, इंजीनियरिंग नहीं था तो मैंने अदर में डाला. बीटेक हो गया, बीटेक ऑप्शन नहीं है तो अदर में डाल दो. ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट, डेट ऑफ पासिंग, पुट एनी डेट, डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस. अब आ गया एग्रीगेट मार्क. ना दोज हु गॉट CGPA, converting aggregate marks is a pain. For example, I got a CGPA of 7.9. अगर तो वहाँ दिया है दिस 7.9 इज आउट ऑफ 10 तो ग्रेट, नहीं दिया तो एज्यूम आउट ऑफ 10. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई चेक माई टोटल मार्क्स इन माई लास्ट मार्कशीट. सपोज टोटल मार्क्स इज 500, सो आउट ऑफ 500 उसका 79% निकाल के यहाँ पे डाल दो. आर यू गेटिंग मी? अगर और एफर्ट डालना है तो आप 4 साल का, पूरा 3 साल का एग्रीगेट कर दो, 3 years 4 द डिग्री. जस्ट एड ऑल द मार्क्स, टोटल मार्क्स एंड मार्क्स यू obtained. For example, my subjects has 500 marks every year. So for 4 years, total is 4,000. So 4,000 में से I've scored 3,200, which is 80%. तो percentage by 80%. This is not important at all. जो submit करना है, जो mark करना है, mark करके submit करो. This is not important at all. Fine. After CET result is out, you have to go for a document verification round. They will check your mark sheets and give you marks. This round right now they are asking for the marks just to check whether you're 50 plus or not, because CET eligibility criteria is 50 plus. आप 51 भी डाल के सबमिट कर दोगे, there is no problem at all. तो कुछ भी डालो, कुछ भी मत डालो, कुछ भी मतलब जो एग्रीगेट बनता है उसका डाल दो. तो 7.9, if this is out of 9, तो divide by 9 into 100, find out a percentage and submit that percentage. ठीक है, but marks have to match. For example, if I'm putting 80% here, so I have to score 80% out of this. Total is 1000 and I scored 800. This have to match 80%, तभी वो आगे जाएगी, तो आगे नहीं जाएगा वो. और गेटिंग दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑल. जो डालना डाल के सबमिट कर यार, टेंशन मत लो. ठीक है, सो वंस यू सबमिट दिस थिंग, इट विल आस्क यू टू रिव्यू योर प्रीव्यू योर एडमिट कार्ड, योर दिस थिंग, चेक योर डिटेल्स एंड देन गो फॉर द पेमेंट. सो वंस यू पे, यू आर सॉर्टेड. रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर एंड पासवर्ड बस अपना याद रखना, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू. ठीक है. Alright, so if you have any more question with me, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can add me on Facebook, facebook.com/ravgan, or Instagram, just search for Rav Singh CET King, you'll find me. If you want to join the classroom program, you can call us on any of these numbers for the classroom program, and if you want to buy books or online program, correspondence program, you can call on these numbers. ठीक है, so we have updated all our books as per the new paper pattern. तो books, mock, shortcut, आपको जो भी चाहिए, whichever program you want to buy, you can join us for. So this week we are conducting the workshop at CET King with all this new paper pattern, 60 days to CET. In case you can attend the workshop, it will be great. So please call us on this numbers and you can attend the workshop in Mumbai. Alright, so all the best. Thank you.